A&C with a twist.
Our mom has been like finding these recipes of like pancake batter, donut holes, and we can't find one that is like not frying with oil.
Yeah, we don't want to fry.
Yeah, but this morning I found a recipe of donut holes with the air fryer we have. We're gonna use this bad boy, and we haven't told our mom yet. I think she's sleeping. I think she's awake, honestly, but she doesn't know. So you're probably gonna hear us, but we're gonna try to surprise her with these donut holes. So we're gonna try and make them quick, good, and then you guys can try it if you have an air fryer.
If not, you can try and find another
I'll
recipe.
also link a recipe down below that has like actual frying with oil, so you can try that. But we're gonna use the air fryer. So let's go bake. That's why we're being quiet, because we don't want to wake up our mom or something.
Or like get her to be suspicious.
Suspicious.
Okay, let's get baking.
Yeah.
Our ingredients today are powdered sugar,
Salt,
cooking spray,
butter,
milk,
sugar,
and all-purpose flour.
need baking powder?
Yeah.
Oh, baking powder. She's coming. She's coming.
Hey, don't get mom. Don't get mom.
We forgot to mention we got aprons. We got new merch now. Just kidding. Instead of Purdue aprons, we got aprons. Baker's gonna bake. What the?
Okay.
Just kidding. Need flour. I got all these measuring cups. Okay.
One cup of flour.
1 cup. 1/4 cup. Now we need 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'll do this together. 1, 2, 1 teaspoon. Where's the teaspoon? Teaspoon of baking powder.
Work.
Yay. 1/4 teaspoon. Do we hear that?
Yes.
Yeah. Of the salt. Now we have to whisk it together. Whisk.
Whiska.
Whiska. Whiska. 4 tablespoons of butter. We have to cut them into little blocks like this. Like these small little cubes. Now we put them into the flour mixture. So when we mix this butter with the So when we mix this butter with the flour, we have to mix it with something that'll like cut it. And there are some things that you mix them that like actually cut it whenever you mix it. And then I'll put like a video in here so you can.
We don't have one of those.
Yeah.
So the closest thing is a whisk.
And we have another thing that we can cut, but you want to keep cutting it whenever you're mixing it together to make it like an oatmeal texture.
What?
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. Like a kind of like that. But we're gonna try and do that and make do without the thingy.
But if you guys have that tool, use it.
Whoops. Just use whatever you have at hand. It should look something like this. We're trying. Okay, now we're gonna add 1/3 cup
of milk.
Yeah. Where's 1/3 cup? Yeah. 1/3 cup. Now we mix it with a spatula. So it turns into a dough. Bake. It smells weird. Oh. You can add more milk, if it's not mixing together well.
But I wouldn't recommend adding too much.
Now we're gonna put flour on the surface. You're gonna knead it until you can put it into a ball, like that. It should look like this. Now we're going to take this and we're going to cut the dough into 14 equal pieces and then form them into little balls.
Little wow.
Roll them into balls. Squish it a little. Yes. Not yet. We have the air fryer. We're going to put 7 donut balls into here, spread apart so that they don't touch each other. Now we have to spray this with cooking spray. Now we put them in. We're gonna preheat it to 350 degrees and for 10 minutes. And you want to make sure they're cooked until they're golden brown. They're done. There. Okay. I'm gonna show you what they look like. They look beautiful. And so we're going to use this, which we have a rack and a pan underneath. We have this, and we're gonna take that, use this clipper to get them out. Now we're gonna put the other 7 in and do the same thing. Hook up. Now we're going to make a glaze. So we're gonna take powdered sugar, 1 cup of it, 1 cup of powdered sugar.
I think it's good.
1 cup. Now we have 3 tablespoons of water. Yeah, then put that. 1, 2, 3. And we mix. Now we're going to take each donut hole and dip it in the glaze and then put it back onto the tray. That's a big one. Now we're going to serve them to our mom, and she's so eager to get out of her room because she's already awake. So we're going to show her our donut holes. Let's go. It's donut holes. Yay!
Good job.
Thank you.
That's good.
And that was our donut holes with a twist. Bye!